Ever wished you could truly grasp the mind-bending concepts of quantum physics without needing a PhD? What if you could see the elegant dance of electrons or feel the very fabric of space-time? Imagine experiencing the universe not just with your eyes and ears, but with every one of your senses. Get ready for a revolutionary way to understand the universe. This journey into a fascinating phenomenon will transform how you think about complex ideas, making the invisible visible and the intangible touchable. Prepare to have your perception of reality shattered. For most of us, quantum mechanics is a dizzying swirl of equations and theories. But what if you could literally taste the Higgs boson or hear the resonance of a superposition? It sounds like science fiction, but for a very small number of people, this is their reality. This is quantum synesthesia. Synesthesia is a neurological condition where stimulating one sensory pathway leads to automatic involuntary experiences in a second sensory pathway. For example, some people see colors when they hear music or taste shapes. It's a beautiful crossing of the senses. But what happens when this phenomenon extends beyond the everyday sensory world and into the realm of abstract concepts like mathematics and physics? For these individuals, the abstract world of quantum mechanics becomes a breathtaking, tangible reality. They don't just understand equations, they experience them. A mathematical formula might have a specific texture, a complex flavor, or appear as a cascade of brilliant colors. The spin of an electron isn't just a +1/2 or -1/2. It might feel like a smooth, cool sphere or a rough, warm cube. Think about the famous Double-Slit experiment. For a quantum synesthete, watching a particle pass through the slits might trigger the sound of a specific musical chord when it behaves like a wave, and a sharp, percussive sound when it acts as a particle. The wave function collapse isn't just a concept. It's a sensory event, perhaps a sudden flash of light or a change in the ambient taste in their mouth. This isn't just a quirky mental trick. It offers a profound, intuitive understanding of subjects that many find impossibly difficult. These individuals can often spot patterns and errors in complex data or equations simply because it feels or looks wrong to them. Their sensory landscape acts as a built-in verification system, revealing the stunning, hidden beauty in mathematical abstraction. So, could this be a new frontier for human cognition, an evolutionary advantage for navigating an increasingly complex, data-driven world? While quantum synesthesia is incredibly rare, studying it could unlock new ways to teach and learn abstract subjects for everyone. Imagine educational tools that translate complex formulas into sounds, colors, and textures, making physics and math accessible and intuitive for all of us. The minds of these individuals show us that the universe has a hidden poetry, and they are the lucky few who can hear its symphony. Thanks for joining us on this mind-bending journey. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the incredible frontiers of the human mind. See you next time.